Hello everyone, this is your internet off.
There was netting on the pool that made it look like this dog ran on top of the water.
Okay, meet me at the bar in 15 minutes.
This cat is absolutely disgusted with his baby. The United States Marines use what looks like a giant washing machine to train for rollovers in a vehicle. This guy can do some incredible bird sounds.
The American robin. The goldfinch. The western meadowlark. The common loon. The house finch.
Babe, you know the garbage needs to go down tonight. You hear me? Keith! Keith!
A pilot told this airport to dim down the lights because they were too bright.
Tower, are you able to reduce the runway lights, please? Thank you much.
This is a single-celled organism called a diatom. They are interesting because their cell walls are made of silica, which makes them the only organism that are made of glass. They live in oceans and rivers and lakes and produce 20 to 30% of the world's oxygen. To put that into perspective, the Amazon rainforest produces about 6 to 9% of the world's oxygen. Here are some videos of me feeding squirrels that come by my house. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.